know about beautiful, but it's a good car.
I mean, this color.
For what it is.
This color turns somewhat of a 3 of 16. That's pretty cool. I mean, I don't.
You remember that? Remember?
What, like when they were worthless type car?
Huh?
What, when they were like worthless?
I mean, nobody really, you know.
There's another fucking part of that car.
Papa, I like this green one.
Do you? That's a BMW.
I was
Which
wondering.
green one? This one?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
And I saw, well, that one's blue.
Or is this? This is the SS.
I like how he has a little car too.
Oh shit, I didn't even notice that.
He's got a plaque in it.
Somehow.
Возьми вот это вот. Так краски не That's it. That's color. And LS.
Everything in the back. Carried around.
Look, here's a Holden inside of a Holden. Oh, wow, look at that. Yeah, he's got a little car that looks like his car.
Oh,
You go, well, I don't think so. I think that's probably his. I think he probably likes it.
What's the biggest?
There's one for it was like $46,000.
Oh yeah, they're still,
Which is crazy because a lot of people don't even know what they are.
right, they're LS3 factory, right?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, is that a wrap or is that freaking paint?
That's pretty big.
That's paint. And they didn't come in that color. This car's been resprayed.
Yeah.
It's a G8 that they rebadged as a Holden. Or is it, no, it's an SS. It's a Chevy SS. Maybe they did come in green then. At first I thought it was a G8. The SS's have a slightly longer wheelbase.
Okay.
Because they were the police.
Yeah.
They keep younger. Yeah, GTO. Well, I think it's probably Chevy. Oh, but
Yeah.
And when you're like, it's mine. I said, no. Oh, yeah. No, because there's another one that's a fine.
my buddy has one.
It was an SS.
And they sound.
Well, they're not.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're the same.
I would totally love that.
Number 3 of 16. It's number 3 of 16.
That is what we're talking about.
Yeah, it's definitely a
This
5
is sick. Chevy SS. Basically fucking George's big brother. This is fucking badass. The LS3. I love that.
They got the Holden. I mean, it could be a real Holden.
No, it's not a big one. No, it's just a Chevy SS.
Yeah, with a Holden back. Because Holdens are from Australia, right?
Yeah, it's the same car. It's literally the same.
They are.
They're cool. I mean, it's just straight up a sedan with an LS. It's like, how much better can it get?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad.
What's the name of these things again?
Beautiful car.
That's a Holden.
But well, no, it's
really
a
a
Chevy.
Chevy.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no,
but that
he
emblem,
rebadged.
Put the LS in there, yeah. You get the little car to match his big car, too.
What's up?
You get the little car to match his big car.
Of course. He has no swirl marks in his paint either, so
There's a Corvette in there.
what does that mean?
what? The 8s are sick. You can build those really well. Those are.
I don't know.
great car. How much space you have in here? It's like this is a lot of space.
room?
He says he has
All
none.
I'm saying is it's an LS. He'll take it. It's an LS3.
Yeah, what does that
He'll take it.
mean?
He's got the spec sheet. I just noticed that. Yeah, see, it's a Chevy SS. He has the spec sheet. Build plan. Oh, it was built in Australia. So yeah, it literally is the same car. That's pretty cool. I actually really like that color too.
It's got some Brembos on there.
Actually, no, it's not. It's on the reset. I'm
No
dumb.
less than Chevy.
Or this was the Pontiac SS.
Yes.
Or no, excuse me, the Chevy SS.
This Chevy.
Pontiac had the
Pontiac
the GTO, which was a Holden.
Right.
And then Chevy did the SS, which is also a Holden.
So it's his and
It says Chevy.
Yep. Still got the SS embroidered.
Yeah. You barely ever see them. I don't know if they like went up that much in value.
It became like
They just didn't sell that many of them to give them.
Yeah. Jungle Green Holden.
That's pretty cool. Miniature.
Yeah.
They were.
Yeah, the Chevy SS. 6.2 liter. Oh, gets up and goes. Is it a rear wheel drive? Yeah.
Look, he's got the little model too. Yeah. 2015.